Okay, let's dive right in. I'm going to make a pretty bold claim. If you're using R, there's a really high chance you're wasting hours of your time every single week, and you probably don't even realize it.
No, it's true. The problem isn't your code. Not at all. It's that you're probably ignoring all these powerful built-in tools that RStudio gives you to make your life so much easier. I mean, these features are just sitting right there, waiting to be used.
And the scale of this is just massive. I'd honestly estimate that 90% of users, and I'm talking everyone from total beginners to seasoned pros, they just never tap into the full power of their main coding tool.
Seriously, it's time to stop doing that. I've been teaching R for years, and I see the exact same pattern over and over again. People write this amazing R code, but they navigate and edit like they're fighting with the software. Well, today, we're going to fix that.
So here's our game plan. We'll start with what I call the productivity trap. Then we'll get into instant navigation and smarter code editing. After that, we are going to unleash project power, and we'll wrap it all up by building your pro routine. All right, first up, let's talk about speed. Your goal here should be to keep your hands on the keyboard and out of all those drop-down menus. These next couple of tricks, absolute game changers for that. This right here is your new best friend. Press Ctrl-Shift-P on Windows or Command-Shift-P on a Mac, and you open the command palette. You should think of this as a universal search bar for every single action in RStudio. Need to rename a variable? Just type rename. Need to insert a pipe? Type pipe. You literally never have to hunt through a menu again.
And here's a tiny little change that is going to save you so much time. Stop typing view with your data frame inside. Seriously, just click on the name of your data frame anywhere in your script, hit the F2 key, and bam, it pops right open. It's such a small habit, but trust me, it adds up big time.
Okay, so now that we're navigating way faster, let's make the actual act of writing code itself more efficient. RStudio has some incredible features, just waiting to automate all the tedious parts of coding.
Next up, snippets. These are basically pre-written templates. For example, just type the word fun into your script, and then press the tab key. Boom! RStudio instantly expands it into a full-function skeleton for you. And the best part? You can even create your own for code you write all the time. Just go to Tools, Global Options, and find Edit Snippets. And hey, while you're in the Options menu, please make sure these boxes are checked. They'll automatically add closing parentheses and quotes, they'll fix your indentation when you paste code, and they wrap long lines of code so you're not scrolling sideways forever. It just makes your code so much easier to read. And my personal favorite, rainbow parentheses. Oh man, this colors matching pairs of parentheses, which is an absolute lifesaver when you're trying to debug complex nested code. Also, don't forget about the Terminal tab. It's right there, next to your console. This is a full command line shell right inside RStudio. You can run Git commands, you can execute Python scripts, you can manage files, all without ever leaving your window. It's all about keeping your workflow in one single place. Okay, I need you to pay close attention here. Of all the secrets we're covering today, this is, without a doubt, the most important one for writing clean, shareable, and error-free code. I'm talking about using RStudio projects.
So on the left, you see chaos, manually setting your working directory with setwd, which, breaks the second anyone else tries to run your script. File paths that just shatter if you move a folder, and that awful moment when you restart RStudio and your entire environment is just gone. Now, on the right is the project way. Your working directory is set automatically, all your paths are relative and stable, and your environment gets saved. The people who skip projects are the ones whose code always breaks on someone else's machine. Don't be that person.
So we've uncovered all these secrets, but, knowledge is useless without action. So let's talk about how to actually integrate these tools into a powerful daily routine so that they become second nature. It's this simple. Number 1, start every single new analysis inside a project. No exceptions. Number 2, the very next time you go to click on a menu item, just stop, open the command palette instead, and search for it. And 3, identify one piece of code you type all the time and create a custom snippet for it. Today. That's it.
And for our final tip, here is the master key, the ultimate cheat sheet. If you ever forget a shortcut or you just want to discover some new ones, just press Alt-Shift-K. RStudio will pop up a window with every single keyboard shortcut it has. It's your own personal, built-in cheat sheet.
So, there you have it. You now know the secrets to using RStudio like a pro. The real question is, are you ready to take the next step?
If this helped you out, make sure to subscribe, because in our next explainer, I'm going to show you how to automate your entire RStudio setup from scratch. You don't want to miss that.